Hey, Gary Berger here from Berger Law with my client and friend Shafthianos, Hudson. How are you doing?
I'm doing well, sir.
I love your name. A Greek name?
Yes, sir.
How'd you get that?
It was passed down to me.
Fair enough. So you called us on the day of your crash. Do you remember that?
Yes, sir.
I was just looking at the file. So you're on Highway 70, driving along, and what happened?
A driver merged into my lane, not paying attention.
Hit your car?
Yep.
And what'd you do after that?
Well, I pulled over. I was kind of in shock, so everything kind of happened real fast. And called 911, you know. I went through the procedures of doing all the necessary things by law, and then I called you.
And then Rodney took the call. I saw Rod's great, and I know Casey and I took your case. So you went through and you went to the ER right away, which is great, perfect. But they did a lot of diagnostic work for you, and did a lot of studies because you were hit pretty hard.
Yes, sir.
I remember when, and why are you here today? Why are we here in my office?
Because you won the case.
Won the case, and you have a check there, right?
Yes, sir.
Is that like for that's easy, 2.5 times what you thought you were gonna get, right? Or what you wanted to get?
Absolutely.
Good
Absolutely.
result? Were you happy with Berger Law?
Extremely happy.
Thank you, Mr. Hudson. So one of the things that's interesting is that you got all this diagnostic workup, but then you're really busy. Man, you had just changed jobs, you're going through training, you're getting a better job, improving yourself, you're making good money, you're a professional. What was it hard to get medical care?
Absolutely.
Why?
Because of going to work and going to training, because I'm looking out to my future. So I'm trying to set myself up for a good career, you know, to maintain a good lifestyle. But all in all, I got as much medical care as I could, and you took care of everything else.
Well, you know that, and we got you. I thought we got you a great recovery. I know we talked as we're going through. We tried to be on and as open, and you said, "I want this in my pocket," and we got, as I said, about 2.5 times that.
Yeah.
One of the things that happens in these cases is, if you don't, you had the diagnostic care in the front, but then you didn't have the continuing care because you're working, you're training. You were trying, we were trying, but we didn't have it. And the other side really stuck it to us. And we finally said, fine, we're going to file suit. We're going to do whatever you do. We're going to do. And then they caved and they paid us what we want in the case. So I'm very happy. You're a great guy. We've enjoyed working with you.
Thank you. Thank you. I appreciate everything you've done. You and Casey.
What did, is there anything that you learned from this experience that you didn't know before? That was something we should share with people?
Yes.
What?
Continue with medical care if you can, because you may have some injuries that may become a part of your life. So it's very important, and only, you know, you can feel it, you know, and get a good lawyer.
Well, thank you. Well, and I didn't tell you we were doing this video before you walked in, did you?
No.
All right.
I wouldn't be wearing this.
That's all right. You look good. People are gonna be like, who's that sharp dude in this video? And there's some old guy next to him. Well, listen, it's truly my pleasure to represent you. I love what you're doing with your life and where you're going and moving jobs and getting success. I hope this money will keep you going on that journey. I know it will. I know you'll spend it wisely. Would you recommend Berger Law to your friends and family?
Absolutely.
Yeah, I think you already have.
You know what I'm gonna do today? I'm gonna make a Facebook post, and I'm gonna just blast this all over the place.
You're the man. Thank you. We'll have you Google reviews
good
too.
reviews on Google.
That's the other thing. Good. You know it. You're ahead of me. You should go into marketing.
Oh my God.
All right. Thanks, everybody.